Who is the most competitive when it comes to playing games? 1, 2, 3. Competitive siya.
I think I just take things seriously when I have a goal in mind. So
Sila magsasagot. Sila
Ay, okay, wait.
Why? Why did you guys...
Why?
You guys play Mobile Legends, gano'n?
Roblox.
COD.
Ano main mo?
MSG? Pero, SMG.
MSG?
Magic sarap.
Define chill in 3 emojis.
Yes.
Yes, all right. So let's go back. Okay, so do you guys have any... I know it's too early, but do you guys have dream collabs? One from P-pop, one from international.
P-pop.
Or pop or OPM or just
Anyone.
Any P-pop?
P-pop, or it could be OPM artist.
Sarah.
Sarah J.
Sarah.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that would be nice.
Yeah, diba?
Pero feeling ko, nagmamanifest ka eh, so feeling ko mangyayari.
Kanina pa ako Sarah ng Sarah.
Bagay yung vibe. How about that?
Marami po siguro sa mga mahilig po kasi ako mag-listen sa soul and R&B. Siguro Beasties po. Hindi po siya kilala for Beasties. Kung anong kalabang.
Kinikilig! Uy! Ano lang naman to? Opinion mo lang naman yan.
Kaya po ako.
Me, I want like a rapper to come on and collab with us, so I say Have Abby. Hindi, seryoso!
Sino?
Have Abby.
Oh, ba't ka tumatawa?
No, wala lang. Kasi parang...
Ayaw mo si Mami Oni?
Mami, Oni.
Ako ay tahimik lang sa umpisa. Di mo
Pwede
kilala?
naman ako. Wait, alam ko yun eh.
Chayway na sa?
Fine dining.
Yes!
Ayun, basta naman.
Tenure? Ethereal. How about you?
Sa P-pop po, siguro si Maki na lang. Friend ko po si Maki, so support.
Friend mo si Maki?
Yes po. Hi Maki. Pag nakita mo ta, collab
You
na
know,
tayo.
I rarely fan over anyone, but when I saw Maki, ako mismo nag-approach, "Hi Maki, I'm a fan." Tapos sabi niya, "Yes, Kuya Gino, I know you." I was like, I don't know, his songs are so nice and he's like a total package. Parang musically and very aesthetically also may sarili siyang color, di ba?
So, such a nice person din po. Very friendly.
You.
Yes.
How old is Maki?
We've met na.
24?
How about you?
Arthur Nelly.
Sir Arthur, baka naman po.
Baka naman.
Ayun na, lumalabas na yung
Oo nga, ayan na yung ayan na yung
How about Anika?
Miss Sarah Geronimo din.
Oh.
And Miss Casey. Talaga, si Miss Casey to.
Oh. But do you guys have any P-pop friends? Like P-pop group also, fellow P-pop.
Ako po yung wala.
Ikaw wala.
Kasi bago pa lang po.
Ako rin po wala.
Others.
Six Sense.
Alexi. Alam mo ba si Alexi na gano'n ang shoot ng music video behind the scene ko ata? Alexis? Yeah, Alexis, yeah. How about you? Who are you close with?
Kaya.
Kaya members?
Apo, Kaya.
Who? Which?
Mostly Charisse and Angela.
How about you?
I don't really have like a lot of because I'm new as well to the P-pop.
But who would you want to be friends with?
Vini.
Sino sa Bini?
Okay, Vini Sheena, because I think she's super angas when she dances, and I think that's really cool.
Oh.
And I see her TikToks, and I'm like, wow, starstruck. And,
Paano yun?
wow, wag na.
Next.
Please.
Sobrang. Okay, go.
I think for now, Bini rin po. And Kaya po. Sila. Maloy po, Bini Maloy. Kasi I think they're so fun to be with and to be friends with.
Oo. Ay, pakilala mo daw Kaya, oh.
Friends po from YJG, Jewel.
Si Jewel, hi YG. Hi Jewel.
Wow. Sa mga P-pop groups natin dyan, guys, you guys have to like help one another for the community to survive.
P-pop rise.
Diba? Yeah, like people always like make sa K-pop kasi okay yung competition, pero yung P-pop para sa akin, para it's a genre na yun nga napasimuno, well, generally known as like CSB19 talaga nagsimula, 'di ba? Nagsimula, it became mainstream, you know. But, you know, I feel like it's not yet, hindi pa dapat competitive sa isa't isa. It should be more of like a teamwork para yung P-pop genre will be more well-established before kayo mag-compete. Parang ganun. Kaso yung mga fans sometimes kasi, it's unfortunate like seeing fan wars. Akala ko dati K-pop yung may fan war. Pati P-pop pala may mga ganun. Oo, meron. Lalo na yung members bias din. Sabi ko, uy, paano tayo mauunlad kung ngayon pa lang, di ba? Anyways, kaya huwag kang mag-away.
No, we have to uplift each other.
Uplift
each other.
Oh, yes. So, I'm definitely expecting more collabs. Ayan. Who is best at memorizing choreography? Yung pinakamabilis. 1, 2, 3. Oh, all in. Diba talaga? I don't even need to ask. Who is most likely to be late for rehearsals? 1, 2, 3. You tried saving your group leader name.
Most likely, alright.
Most likely lang naman. We're not talking about sino yung laging late. Pero
I love you guys.
Reason niya po, walang parking.
Second runner-up.
Hoy, hindi
Baka kasi siya galing Switzerland pa.
Kaya mo siya sa plane kasi siya sa plane.
Be, nasa immigration pa ako. Oh, why? Because you drive? That's why?
Yes po. And it's so, for some reason, it's so weird kasi yung building pa na where we train, wala talagang parking space. Meron, but it's super limited. And then there are 3 other like huge parking areas and it's always full.
Parkings are always full. You think the traffic is one problem? Parking is also...
And
yeah.
there's 3 options na. Tatlo na yung parking.
Puno pa rin.
Puno pa rin. So, yun.
Who is the most competitive when it comes to playing games? Kung ano man competition. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Panalo ka?
I was also gonna...
Competitive siya?
I think I just take things seriously when I have a goal in mind. So
Sila magsasagot. Sila
Ay, okay,
Mamaya ka mag-defend your honor, ha? Why? Why did you guys...
Why?
Malakas kasi fighting spirit niya, even na.
Pero parang it's a good competitive. Hindi siya yung toxic. Kasi may mga iba kasi talaga na feeling ko you just enjoy that competitive
Yes, as an
environment. Kasi kahit nung PBB parang tawang-tawa siya. Parang baliw yung iba, parang pinapawisan, nasa stress na. Siya naman, oh my God! Sila,
Ganyan ako talaga.
ganun silang dalawa ni Kurt. How would you say? Bakit mo siya binoto? Sino nag-vote kayo? Why? Paano siyang competitive?
I think,
Yung
super
energy lang din po
kulit.
niya.
Tapos, she'll do whatever it takes.
Sa bunso fighting.
Yeah.
Fighting spirit.
Oh my God, parang nakakatakot na bunso na to. Oh my God. Okay, but you, why did you choose Dali?
Si Dali. Partner kami niya sa games.
Ano ba yun?
Before po, nung wala pa po yung new trainees, marami na po kaming games na na-play. And mostly po
Kami
kasama yung
dalawa yung
winner.
most competitive sa games.
Anong klaseng game?
Wala, yung mga ano
Do
lang.
you guys play Mobile Legends, ganun?
COD.
COD?
Yes po. We play COD.
What, MP or
Both.
BR? Ay, both! Wow!
MP's the best. BR boring.
Period!
Ay, hindi boring yun.
Pero ako search and destroy ako eh.
Actually, lahat po talaga.
My God, parang hindi mga babae yung kausap ko dito.
Gusto namin
Oo, Domi.
Ako, favorite.
Patayin agad yung palaban.
I used to stream nung pandemic eh. For COD M. Kaya kilala ko yung mga streamers doon. May clan pa ako. Do you watch streams ng CODM? No, you guys just play. Oh. Parang ngayon lang umilaw yung mata niya. Kanina pa siya demure. Biglang nung COD M. BR's boring!
Hindi kasi nung start yung training, nawala na yung mga laro namin.
Siyempre, oo.
Favorite ko dun kapag ikaw na lang yung last taos dun sa
Last
zombie.
man
Tapos
standing.
parang ano ka, hala, action star!
Tapos ang daming nagmamarunong dun sa microphone. Ganito gawin mo, ganito.
Then yung adrenaline
Sana hindi
rush.
na lang kayo mamatay! Diba? Wait, anong main mo?
Na ano?
Gun, of course. SMG ka ba? AR? Chill is like...
Lately po, nung nagka-skin po ako yung SMG po kasi bumili ako ng gun. Tapos may cute siya, may skin kasi yung gun.
Tagal ko na kasi hindi naglaro eh. Okay.
Pero
SMG.
mostly AK.
AK-47.
And
Ethereal. AK-40.
AK-117.
AK-117 din po.
Do you guys have the
mostly.
holiday skin?
Right.
I have. Actually, wait lang. I have story. Kasi dati pa ako nagpe-play ng COD since nasa Swiss ako. Eh, iba yung server. So, nung umuwi ako ng Pinas, nawala lahat ng binili kong skin.
Uy, guys, totoo yan. Nakakawalang gana maglaro pag hindi pangit yung character mo. Tsaka,
Oo,
mukhang coke yung gamit mo. Hindi.
Cute! Kailangan ganun.
Kailangan cute, kailangan pink.
Tapos mostly lahat ng babaeng character, may bayad.
Oo, kasi pag babae, maliit lang yung characters mo.
Tapos mas maangas kasi pag
Parang
babae.
tayong tatlo na lang. Laro. What's your main?
Main ko, MSG. Pero, SMG.
MSG,
Magic Sarap.
Magic Sarap.
Pero, nung nag-start kami maglaro with Sia and Dali, tinatry ko mag-sniper. Kasi gaya-gaya ako. Sniper siya
Uso
eh.
pa rin ba DLQ ngayon?
Ako po kasi pag nag-VR ako, need ko ng sniper. Mag-hide ka sa mountain.
Sobrang weird. It's just funny how I'm talking about these things with like sniper. Hey, what's your main?
Sniper po.
Veteran sniper po yan.
Ang gagaling ng mga babae mag-sniper.
Kailangan...
Ako, iPad user ako eh.
Hindi ko po kaya yung sniper na close range.
Quick scope.
Yun
Yung-
ang gusto ko.
Ah.
That one.
Diba? O sa mga gaming communities natin dyan, who knows? Kunin kayo ng mga COD M ganun because they love collab. Right, Kaya worked with Mobile Legends, if I'm
we
not
play.
mistaken.
We play din
diba?
po.
You play Mobile Legends too? Good hobby. Mas okay yan. Oh my God, who do you? Mage, mga Odette, ganun.
Marami po. Fighter ko po si...
Ito!
Main ko po
Fighter
isa.
ka?
Sylvana and Gatot.
Oh my God! Di ko in-expect. Guys, the comparison is very like, what's your favorite sports? Akala mo, ping pong. Ganun. Grabe. Chill, can you relate?
Roblox, Minecraft.
The next question. Okay, next question is, the biggest fan of another K-pop group or P-pop group? Any. Parang super fan girl. Sino tong member na to? The biggest fan girl sa group nyo. 1, 2, 3.
Ako marami po kasi.
Multi-stan
Opo.
Sino?
Yung young pa po ako, hindi pa naman super stan. I started with 21 po kasi yung mga tita ko po. Sorry.
She's trying me. She tried us. The golden age of K-pop.
No po kasi yan. Tapos nung lumaki po ay nabalik po ako when I met Pentagon. And then
Oh, Binari. May kapangalan ako dyan. Ang alam ko, Gino.
si Gina po.
Lagi akong tinatag sa mga post niya.
Wait, pero...
Sa Instagram, so I blocked his account.
Oh, kasi same po ng...
Oo, Gino.
Oh my gosh!
Lagi akong tinatag.
Kasama si Jungwon.
Bias ko yan! Bigyan ng jacket. Oh my God, so multi-stan ka. Sino yung mga recent? Ito parang nagugulo. Ganyan ako pag nasa Baskin Robbins. Pag hindi ko alam anong flavor ipipiliin.
Ano, marami po. Twice, all of us twice. Blackpink and Hypen. ITZY, Kiss of Life, Stray Kids!
Did you see the recent ni Hyunjin sa Versace? Yung buzz cut siya tapos...
Batak na niya.
Siya po biggest.
Sino po ultimate K-pop?
Ako, wala akong ano eh, yung ultimate. Ako, depending on the song.
Po din.
Super ano ako eh, pag ayoko yung song, kahit anong pilit ko, hindi ko magustuhan. So, right now, I like Rise.
I listen to
There's-
a lot of Rise. Rise po na. Their songs are so
On the
good po.
roll and Bonbin.
I started I'm a TVXQ era. Anyone?
Familiar.
TVXQ ka? I'm a Cassiopeia.
Okay, I know.
Sia Junsu. Oh. So I'm a TVXQ and then it went to Girls' Generation. Very SM song.
Opo, Girls' Generation.
And then Red Velvet, medyo nawala na ako sa K-pop nung EXO, Red Velvet. Kasi yun yung time na nagta-translate ako for K-pop. Tapos grabe yung treatment sa amin mga translators. Nang hindi Koreans yung mga directors, ganun. Para kaming mga dumi. I translated for BTS also. Yeah.
Sino po bias niya?
I'm mostly vocal. So Jungkook, ako. And you know, G-Dragon, very old. But nowadays, with girl group, yeah, Cat's Eye, their songs are all hit, yeah.
XG.
Yung New Jeans, they're NK,
And JZ now.
NGZ, yeah. Ayan, New Jeans.
Oh,
Le Seraphim musics are nice, but I'm more of Aespa.
Opo, Espa rin po. Espa.
We play.
XG po.
Oh,
Hindi na pa siya.
Collab sana ako.
XG, oh. Baby Monster's also so
Baby
good.
Monster.
Okay. How about Anika? You were the second most voted for this question.
Opo, recently po, galing po akong Born Pink tour sa Tokyo.
Tokyo?
Nandun po yung parents ko.
Oh, really? So desu ka? Hindi.
Konti lang alam ko.
Idadakimas lang din alam ko.
Reply siya isa.
Irashaimase!
Ethereal. Who else do you stand?
Ano po, army po ako like dati, but like ngayon po medyo hindi na masyado.
What's your favorite BTS song? Sige nga.
Spring Day.
Good taste! Same!
Spring Day.
I like Spring Day, Butterfly. Oh my God! Truth Untold! Ay, oh my... Sorry. Sobrang OA. Kasi usually pag BTS, ang sinasagot, I'm a huge BTS fan. What's your favorite song? Dynamite.
Discrimination.
Di ba? I love Sandara Park. I've been fan since 21. You know, what's your favorite song? Fire. Who doesn't like those songs? Di ba? Iba.
How about Converse High?
Converse High? I'm more of yung parang very...
Mellow.
Yung parang...
Mellow,
buwanjo.
mellow.
How do you say buwanjo? Dreamy.
Ethereal.
Ethereal. Yeah, Serendipity. I love, Pero sometimes, pag nag-workout or like nag-workout ako, bakit? Joke lang!
Okay.
Gulat siya.
Edi wow. Hindi joke. But like, I love the hip-hop side also. Mic drop. Diba?
Jonisu.
How about you? What's your favorite BTS song?
Ayun, Converse High po. Mas old army po kasi ako kaysa new army.
Wow. Older gen. Yeah. Solo. Bias. I know we're always 7. We're always gonna be 7. V. Okay, si Tay. Okay. Did you see his recent pictures? Sobrang laki niya. Sabi ko, sino to? Parang dito sa Pinas, AI lang ngayon sa White Sando.
Biglaan po siya paglabas ng video, guys.
Pumasok ng boy, lumabas man.
Man.
Diba? Who's your bias?
Jimin.
Oh, Jimin. Jimin ka din? Ikaw,
Jin.
Michael Jackson.
Really? Michael Jackson.
J-Hope?
Jin.
Jin, oh.
Same po, Worldwide Handsome.
Yeah.
okay. Oh my God. I'm so happy. I met more armies. Okay. Ano ulit yung tanong? Naano ako bigla. Lumabas yung pag-fanboy ko din na, kasi namimiss ko talaga yung ano. Because nowadays, the K-pop is very super fast. Like 1 month, you're so relevant na parang magiging superstar ka. Tapos the next month, iba na naman. Hindi siya kagaya dati, no? Parang before, it was like a year thing, di ba? Parang, this year is that person's year. Ngayon, every month, iba-iba yung trend, iba-ibang tunog. So, so confusing. Ayan. So, I created a GC, of course. So, we're gonna play emoji game. Bawat questions, you guys are gonna answer it to me via using 3 emojis only. Okay? Okay, first, define chill. Who is chill? In 3 emojis. Okay. Let's start with Aya.
Yes.
But obviously, I know the chill because, you know.
Kasi po malamig.
Okay.
Then clap po. Kasi lahat po nakaklap sa kanya. Kahit in terms of...
Dami mong opinion nila.
Wait.
Huwag ka magalit.
Wait.
Hindi kaya ako galit.
Hindi kasi lahat po natutuwa kay Chill, even with her personality. Kaya...
Honestly, kayo lang po yung hindi ata natutuwa.
First,
Hindi natutuwa ako. Like I said, hindi ko mabardagol ng ganito pag hindi ko gusto yung tao. Favorite! Magkatabi! Yun. How about Sia? Star, microphone, and a red heel.
alam ko bakit heel. I feel like alam ko na.
Okay. Yung star na may ganun. Kasi parang,
Energy.
yeah, energy niya. So every time na may mga bagay-bagay, lagi siya excited or ganun. Dancing, like, yeah, her voice.
Thank
so
you.
Sweet. Wow! Sobrang ganda ng voice.
Wow! Thank you.
Then,
And then,
then the red heel.
alam ko na.
Bakit? Nakatapak ka ng tayo ng aso?
Hindi. Hindi naman.
She used to wear like high heels para same height kami lahat. Yeah.
Which is what, hence.
Okay.
Ano to din, like madami siyang cute na heels.
I think
You're a heel girly.
heel or
Di ba parang
platform.
si Ariana Grande, parang hindi daw siya makaka-perform pag wala daw siyang heel.
Yeah.
Nahihirapan
Kasi
daw.
short din po siya. I mean, nasanay po siyang mag-heel.
Tinatry kong i-amend yung pagiging short into like Ariana Grande. Bumabalik pa rin. Kasi short din siya. Okay, how about Anika? Obviously, chill and energy. What's the last one?
Star po sa eyes. Ay, yung last one po kasi parang kaming dalawa. Hindi po, kapag nag-MRT kami, kasi,
We call it MR twin.
kasi madami pong tao, so chill dito
Yeah,
ko, chill.
ganun.
Oh my God.
No, MRT. Sabay tayo MRT.
Kayo guys, sino ang MR twin nyo?
Yeah, sino ba yung
That's a
MR
trendable word,
MR
ah.
twin.
Kasi lalo na pag babae ka, nakakatakot bumiyahe mag-isa. So you always need that one yung kasama pa uwi, di ba?
And then kami yung kasama pa uwi kapag grab. So grab besties, or grab beauties, or grab baddies.
Kaming tatlo.
Kami dalawa is here.
Parang ayaw ni Dali.
Nagulat ako, kasama pala ako. Wala, nagulat ako, ay kasama pala yung grab buddies.
Grabaris. Okay. Now dito ako pinaka-curious, Dali. Yung sa mga choices ni Dali. Dancing and a girl and a microphone. Okay. Kulot na girl. Okay.
Yung sa dancing girl kasi it seems like Chill is always moving.
She's very animated. Okay.
And then yung curly po kasi, yun po yung branding niya, curly hair. Hindi po ganito, mas curly pa po talaga.
Yung yung Bleeding Love, yun ba yun?
yan po.
Oo.
Ganun po yung branding.
Yeah, yan yung styling ko for performances.
Pinili mo yung styling na yan?
Pinili pa sa management, pero gusto ko pa rin siya. Kasi, medyo spoiler alert, related siya somehow to the artist that I will be covering sa solo ko. Secret na yung rest. Can't say much yet. Abangan nyo na lang. Or Marlies, ay lumabas. Kala ko naman.
Pa-enthusiast ka? Andiyan na pala. Di ba lumabas na?
Ay, okay.
Fina, Nala, crazy.
Gets naman? No, because I feel like ang galing niya talk, like never ending yung topics na she could like bring up.
Yapper kasi.
Yapper siya.
Kaya feel ko yun.
Good to self-reflect, no?
Self-aware naman kasi.
Yeah, okay. Ano yung sabog yung ulo? Ang dami niyang iniisip.
Yung dami, ang
Creative
galing
yung
niya.
mind niya. Oh, okay. Alright. Next, Dali.
Okay.
Parang babawi ka or something. Okay, let's start with Aya.
Ano ba yan? Ako lagi una. Ice Cube. Kasi may hobby siya na hindi ko gusto.
Ano ba yun?
Lagi siyang nagngangat-ngat ng ice cube. It's not good for your teeth, di ba?
Gums, yeah. Pero you know, my cousin used to do that. Parang ano daw eh.
Stress.
Oo, stressor. And also, nakakabusog daw. Masarap daw. May mga nasasarapan sa ice cube.
Masarap po.
And then fairy, kasi mukha siyang fairy.
Yeah.
Like yung,
Maliit kasi.
Tinkerbell.
yung mukha niya hindi pang tao. Pang,
Oo.
pang fairy.
You have an elf face feature.
Thank you po.
And then star, kasi she's a star.
Bakit?
Kasi XG fan siya.
Alright. Oh, Sia? Actually, that emoji, super kamukha niya. The big Bambi eyes. We call it,
Yeah, that's her. And then the ice cube, yun nga, the same. Pero magkaiba kasi si Aya, binabawalan. Ako naman, kapag gusto niya, hinahanap ako siya. So, yun siya. Para, yeah.
At least out of concern, sana all
Kasi natatakot ako
inaalagaan.
mamaya, bumasok siya sa training, wala na siyang ngipin.
Actually, pag sa gabi, minsan, hinanap ko talaga. Pero one time, sumakit na siya, so tinigil ko. Pero hindi ko talaga kaya. So, ginagawa ko hindi ko lang siya kinakagat. Tinatry ko naman yung
As
best
in,
ko.
kinakagat mo?
Opo, talaga. Kahit sobrang big. Minsan po, alam niyo po yung yellow na bilog na mahaba.
Yung sa mini-stop, yung mga nasa convenience store
kung,
eyes?
Kung ganun po yung yellow, okay.
Alam niyo pa yung bloke na, yung mahabang gano'n na bloke.
Yari na ito pag dinala mo sa ibang bansa. Lalo na winter, may nakakagat. May kinakagat na siya. Alam mo yung mga icicles?
Stress reliever po kasi, nakaka-good mood.
Okay. Ano yung mais?
Favorite niya yung mais.
Oh. I think yun yung distressor mo, no? You like stuff in your mouth. You like chewing things, no?
I like po kasi mag-ganon-ganon. So parang if dito,
Ayaw mo mag-fidget spinner sa bibig? Oh, mais yung favorite mo. What type of mais?
yung yellow po na steam lang.
Yung as whole.
Opo.
Oh, where do you buy your mais? Meron ka ba masuggest?
Sa Tagaytay po pinakamasarap. Try ko. Yung nasa side po.
Oh my God, okay,
Pag dun
gets.
po ako nadaan, bibili po ako marami.
Oo, sa
Kakainin ko everyday.
mga corn lovers natin dyan, Tagaytay daw. Oh, no, that's a nice tip. Okay, Anika.
Yung boses po ni Ate Dali, parang yung first emoji. Tapos yung pangalawa po given.
Paano siya magalit? Tigilan mo ko.
Tapos yung kiss mark po kasi, ang daming pictures ni Ate Dali nakagano.
Ma-pout face ka. Bakit?
Super cute.
Hindi ko po alam. Simula bata po ako, marami akong pictures na nakukuha.
Ako, mahilig ako magganto dahil malaki yung mukha ko. So parang ginigitna ko siya.
Bella Hadid.
Di ba? We do, di ba? Di ba?
Mewing.
Signature pose mo, kiss.
Siguro po. Marami pong childhood photos ako.
Pa-sample ate.
Grabe, ang liit ng mukha mo, no? Gumanon lang siya, parang kalahati na yung mukha niya yung labi.
Ayun nga po yung problem ko, super liit.
Oy. Pero nagka-crush ng ice. Diba? Okay, how about chill?
Because Ate Dolly is very caring, so she likes to make Libra a lot of stuff, including like our nails. One time
Oh my
she,
gosh, she likes to libera you a
I-
lot of stuff. Oh my God! So What's this?
Kasi, actually, sa bonding one time before mall show, sabi ni Ate Dolly, dapat lahat kami naka-nails.
Linibre niya
So,
po.
linibre nila kaming lahat. Pero, tayong lahat? Kami,
Grabe ka
kaming
naman.
lahat. Pero, Ate Sia had an injury, so hindi siya pwede. And ako, hindi ko kaya kasi I'm not the nail girl. I'm not a nail girly. Hindi ko kaya talaga. Alam mo,
Anong di mo kaya?
kasi nung nag-premiere kami, naka-press-ons kami na Ate Sia na nails.
Carry mag-nails.
Oo,
Mahilig ako maglinis.
Yung talagang mahaba.
Oo,
Yung
mahaba.
legs. Pero nag-color ka. Kaya mo
Naman,
yan.
minsan. Yeah.
Oh.
Pero yeah, so Ate Dolly does that a lot. Basta she's very caring, so she's thoughtful. Like, yeah, that's why I chose the nails. Yeah. Yeah, lahat kami. Yun, yan yung first. Oh, iyak na yan!
What's your favorite nail? What is it? Is it nude? Di ba there's the...
Ganito lang po. Very,
Pa-
parang wala.
Okay, nail cam. Oh, that's the cat eye.
Opo. Nagiging hard siya pag minumove.
Di ba yung may ilalagyan na ng powder tas yung magnet?
talaga?
How about Nala? A candy and what is this?
Bakit, wait lang po pala, bakit po pala burger? Meron po po.
Ay, oo nga pala. May burger din. Oo nga, bakit burger?
Kasi every time nag-order si Ate Dolly, parang burger na yung kinakain all the time.
Burger kinakain mo?
Ay, kanina burger din yung kinain niya bago tayo.
Saan napunta yung burger? Sa akin napunta.
Siguro po pag fast food, pag mabilis ang kain, mas easier po kasi hindi na need ng utensils. So kaya po mostly burger pag mabilis ang kain.
It's almost like K-pop idols ordering kimbap kind of concept. Yung mabilisan lang, madali, hindi makalat.
Opo.
Pero you don't like burgers? Hindi naman favorite na favorite.
Hindi po.
Okay. What's your go-to burger?
Cheeseburger.
Ooh, bidaang saya.
Opo.
Okay, now, Nala, candy.
Candy, cause lagi siyang may dalang like gummy bear or candy, and I super love
You love that about her.
First ko pong, nagdadala po ako kasi pag training need namin sweets, chocolate.
You're J, right?
Opo.
MBTI, J.
Apo.
Exactly.
Tapos para, for everyone, actually. Tapos actually, minsan pag nagbibili po ako, nagsasama po akong gummy bears kahit lang mahilig for Nala and Ea. Kasi sila pa yung una kong inaas. Gusto nyo kasi
Mahilig
they
ka sa
like.
sweets?
Hindi po, kasi mahilig po sila, so I bring
Wala,
them.
sobrang caring naman. Alam mo ano gusto ko, Dali?
Ano?
Sa susunod na shoot, I love Haribo Coca-Cola. Grabe, sobrang caring mo naman. How about the girl, the second
And then
one?
I think it's the hair, kasi lagi siyang nakaganito.
Branding ko po yung may ganon, may...
Bagay. Ano yung balot?
No, this emoji reminds me of her siguro. Kasi super cute niya, parang siya
Gets,
pa
because
naman
she's
sa ilagay
tiny.
sa...
She looks like she could fit in an egg. Gets. I can see that. Oh, now it explains. Okay. Now our leader name, please define your leader name in 3 emojis.
Mag-uusap tayo mamaya.
Team meeting.
May pahuli
Okay. Ea, as always, start natin with the lipstick.
Lipstick kasi she's the girliest girl I've ever met.
She's like the definition of
Yeah,
girl.
really girl. And then broom kasi mahilig siya maglinis.
OC, like, I like organizing stuff. So yeah.
And then yung dalawang girls kasi kami dalawa yung pinaka nag-close sa mga kaartehan sa buhay.
Anong klaseng kaartihan nyo?
Yung mga damit, gano'n.
If may Amor twin, meron mga ano dito.
Actually, same yung vibe, even with aesthetic, no? Okay, next, chill.
Okay, ang ano naman, yung broom, not because naglilinis. Habang kasi nag-conditioning kami,
Kala ko sabihin nyo, siya yung elfa ba?
Hindi! Sinasampal kasi nila si Ate Sia. When she gets mad at us, she has a broom. She's like, hoy!
Hoy! Fake news yun!
Hindi ka wala nila! O yung leader nyo stressed na.
Galing yan!
Oh my God! The dark humor is humorous.
Hindi. Ate Sia is very clean and organized.
Since I'm seeing 2 brooms, can I ask, ano yung favorite place mo to clean? May mga ganun eh. May mga iba kasi therapeutic ang linis. Yung kasama ko sa bahay, ang therapy niya nag-wash ng dishes. Ako, I hate washing dishes.
I love like organizing my clothes. Like, kunyari, in color.
Color-coded.
Yeah. Tapos, kapag jeans lang. Pag top, white top.
Do you take referrals? Gusto mo per hour? Akin din paayos.
Like, kapag yun nakita ko na maayos, like, okay, it's fine.
Oh, do you do that for your members or just you?
For me. And then, like, yeah, personally for me. And then kapag kunyari here, yeah, like, right after that, I'll
Oh my God, I can't wait to see them in one house.
lagot.
Feeling ko mas dadami yung mga kwento, maraming conflicts and also getting to know. Wow, can't wait. All right, the chocolates.
Chocolate. Oh, because Ate Sia knows I love chocolate, so she always brings chocolate for me. And she brings chocolate for a lot of people. She's like, oh, may dala ako sa'yo. Hindi ganito si Ate Sia.
Kapag tahimik na sila, so parang need nila
Baby girl, ganito.
Kanina pa to.
ngayon lang yan, bumabawi siya.
Usually, what type of chocolates does she bring?
Sa kanilang lahat kasi, yeah, I love dark chocolate. Kaya minsan kapag dark chocolate yung dala ko, ayaw ni Aya.
Depends sa brand.
White chocolate ka, more on white. Oh,
Strawberry. Yogurt, girly.
oh, I love yogurts also. Yao Yao? Or
Oh, yeah. Sponsor.
Sponsor agad? Kalma! Oh, I love Yao Yao. What's the gun?
Water. No, it's because it's a water gun.
Okay, water gun.
Yeah. Because it's related to her solo evaluation. Tsaka sa Ate Sia, she loves like the wet look. Talagang like all the time.
wet.
Kapag nasa makeup artist, sinasabi niya, wait,
Marimar.
gusto ko yung wet
Ah,
look.
yung drench.
Yeah, drenched look. So,
Moist.
oo nga,
Wet
moist
look.
look. Diba?
Siya ba yung Jezebel ng group?
Oo nga, siya yung mermaid ng group. Oo nga.
Bagay. Very pageant yung ano, no? Ah. Okay, now, next, Nala, you have a lot of explanation to do, my ENFP girl. What's with the duende? Hindi siya duende. Ano ba to? Encanto?
This one, parang yung God, yung laging may accessory, like here.
Ah, very goddess.
Very goddess yung atake ng accessory.
Bumabawi sila. Okay, walang company call later.
Tama.
Pero feeling bagay. I can actually imagine her very being like, you know? Okay. Pero yung kasunod, man.
Ano to, Nala?
It's more of like yung top niya lagi gusto like.
Yeah.
Showing
Very
my
demure,
Yeah.
sexy.
I love very sexy tops, but
Expensive.
yeah.
And then, cause water. Her solo.
Ano ba tong solo mo? Bakit daming water gun water?
Lumalangoy po siya.
Make me lose my breath.
Okay, wala pa, hindi pa posted. Baka mamaya posted na din. Okay. Sample?
Now?
Go! Paano? Sige nga.
Parang
Paano?
bawal dito mag-water.
Ay! Babasahin mo kami? Nagagano mo kami? Ay, you are nothing. Para second round.
I'll dance the choreo.
Just the highlight. Para. Ay, hey!
Yung dance break.
Dance, ay, hindi na naman.
Kantahan na lang natin.
Here. Ano na lang, yung... Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Demure lang. Feeling ko kaya mo yun. Kaya mo yun.
Ako, kahit nakatayo lang, ang daming nagsishake. Alright! Okay, the seal. Bakit seal?
Kasi there was one time po, before pa, wala pa yung
Oo.
we were inside the recording studio. Nag-write po kami ng song kasi that time. Tapos, suddenly lang po, parang, yung mga times pa po doon, iniisip pa namin yung mga emoji namin, ganyan. Then someone said, sino man nagsabing Sila yun daw? Seal siya. Sabi ko, bakit? Kasi daw, si Sia laging nakaganto yung post.
Ah, kasi patabi. Very demure.
Lagi pong ganun yung
Pwede
post
naman
si Sia.
mermaid. Bakit seal?
Ganyan na ganyan po lagi yung
Apa! Ganyan na
Parang
ganyan.
na-imagine ko. Yung
Lahat
very...
po ng photoshoot may ganito siyang post. Tapos tawa po ako ng tawa, hindi na ako
Leader,
makahinga.
ingat ka. Baka mamaya ganun ka na maglakad. Magtumanda ka na, nakatabingi ka.
So love trip po talaga siya.
Grabe no, si Sia very elegant, okay. How about the next one? Dance?
Very girly. Siguro very girly po kasi. And then same with po sa lipstick siya yung pa-definition ng girl.
Now, si Anika na pinatay si... Okay.
Ano po, yung sa dancing girl, yung parang demure po, yan, si Ate Sia. Tapos yung thumb po, kasi nung ilang beses na kaming pinaulit-ulit ng dance sa training, hindi namin alam yung nangyayari sa paligid. Yung hands niya po gumanon sa palm ko, so nagdugo yung nails niya.
Natuklap
Hindi
yung
na siya
nail
makapag-thumb.
Ah, nag-split!
Yes.
Yeah. Then,
Split yung loob.
diba po studio namin, then in front ng studio namin is hospital.
Na-emergency.
Sumugod ka? Ganun kalala?
Nagdugo po yung loob.
Pero okay naman na siya now.
Very fragile po kasi siya. Parang mostly po, siya yung
Uy, ang ganda
laging
ng kamay mo. Can you show us your finger?
Wala siyang
Very hand model yung ano niyo. Very ganun. Hey! Oh, wow, okay.
Ilan na yan?
O ano yung flower?
Ano po, kasi po...
Hindi.
No!
Kahoy.
Even if allergic si Ate Sia sa flowers, super grateful siya sa mga flowers na nabibigay ng fan.
Ah, you love flowers. Do you have any specific flowers you like?
Yeah, blue roses I want.
Oh,
I love
blue?
Yeah.
Mahal nyo, no? Karte mo. Ang hirap hanapin yan dito.
Oo nga po, kaya...
Grabe. Have you ever received blue rose?
Yeah, one time lang. Before. Valentine's Day before, sa fair ng school.
Oh.
Yeah. Parang kasi may sinusulat doon ng parang kung ano yung want mong flowers, and then bumili pa lang sila ng sa Baguio ata. Sila bumili.
Yeah, blue roses are so rare. Oh, okay. Okay, let's go to Aya. Kinakabahan siya. Okay, we'll start with Chill.
No, she has very, very foxy eyes and a very
Exactly. That's why sinasabi ko may resemblance niya kay Jenny. Because
Jenny.
she's like the top tier cat and foxy face.
Exactly. Look at pa-visual nga dyan. Okay.
Pero yung pangalawa, bakit ganun?
No, yung pangalawa. Kasi, joke lang. Apart from the fact that we bardagulan all the time, I just think Aya is such a angas rapper. Like, if you hear her rap, she's so like, ganun.
Totoo ba?
Yeah, maangas siya talaga. So that's why I chose this. Tapos maangas in different languages pa.
Pag naiinis ka kay Chill, minsan minumura mo ba siya in Italia na hindi niya alam?
Ganyan siya. Nagaganyan pa. Nakakainis ka!
Dinodog show ka. Oh, what's the last one?
No, because Aya has like the most hourglass body I've ever seen. The first time she walked in the room, ganyan yung grabe, ang nipis.
Isang pageant walk na.
Uy, hindi pa marunong eh.
Humble lang.
Humble. Alright. Sa next beat up natin, ha? Mag-practice kayo ng feeling ko siya yung marunong mag-walk.
Yeah.
Okay. Mirror. Nala.
Mirror, kasi siya yung almost every time na pag tinitingin ako sa kanya, naka-mirror siya. Either sa
Very
phone or...
self-conscious po kasi.
Wow.
Kaya lagi ang
Oh, may dala kang mirror lagi. So what's one thing you're most conscious about sa face mo? Di ba may mga iba, lips, yung iba, kilay, yung iba sa blush. What are you most conscious
lahat
about?
char. And pero yung, I feel like my face is big po.
Same reactions po. Same reaction every day.
So Fina, Nala, last one, chocolate.
Kasi she brought chocolates from Swiss.
Swiss has nice chocolates, di ba?
Yeah, and then yun. And then naubos ko, and then she's like, gusto mo pa? Meron pa sa bahay.
What's your favorite chocolate brand?
Favorite? Ovomaltine.
Ovaltine?
Ovomaltine. Yeah, actually, same ata po siya, pero in Europe, it's called Ovomaltine. It's like Fanta and Royal in Europe and Asia. Parang
The
ganun siya.
orange one? Yung
Yeah,
ganun,
yeah.
Ovaltine.
Ovomaltine sa amin.
Ovaltine! Sobrang demure, ah. Okay, that's your favorite.
Yes po.
Okay. How about Anika? A heel and jeans.
Pants.
Kasi naka-heels po palagi minsan si Ate Aya. Tapos bagay na bagay po sa kanya yung low-rise jeans.
Oh, ang hirap bagayan ng low-rise, ha?
Si Ate Aya.
Dapat maganda yung body and yung proportion. Okay. How about Sia? Bakit ginawa mo robot yung isang leg niya?
Actually, kasi ano siya, like, yung balance niya kasi hindi siya
Flimsy ka ba? Medyo
sobrang clumsy din niya kasing tao. So, instead na leg ng pantao ilagay ko, baka pwedeng pang robot.
Kasi minsan parang
Lahat
naglalag
siya.
siya.
Everyday po ako nakakatapon ng something.
Every time.
Oh, do you get injured a lot then?
Opo. Scratches.
Na hindi mo alam saan galing yung mga pasa mo.
Pero sanay na ako masakit.
It makes sense, right?
Huwag mo naman sabihin na sanay. How about apple juice?
No. Dapat ano siya, yogurt juice or gano'n. Kasi every morning, siya, bili mo ko ng, ang tawag doon, 7-Eleven yung
Dutch mill.
Dutch
May
milk
papabili.
Oh, you're a probiotic girl.
Gusto ko lang sweet yogurt.
I just like yogurt. Ah, what's your favorite yogurt? Go to
Go to,
yogurts.
yeah, like,
Mga top 3 choices, would you say? Di ba kanina, nag-suggest kung saan pwede bumili ng
Dutch meal.
Dutch Mill? Pwede, malay nyo.
Dutch
Dutch
Mill.
Mill, yes!
And then, yung banana and strawberry milk from Korean brand.
Oh, Soul Milk. Soruyu. Okay, and then?
And then third, kahit ano pa eh.
Koreano ako. Boom!
Kahit ano.
What's your favorite yogurt store?
Is there a store for yogurt?
Di ba there's Pinkberry, we have, what is it, Red Store?
Yao.
Red Mango, Yao Yao.
Mahal po kasi ng yawe.
Don't worry. Oh, grabe. Namamahalan ka sa Yao Yao, galing ka Swiss.
Uy, hindi po.
Okay, about the milk tea. You like milk tea?
yeah, kaming dalawa actually. Yung ano namin dalawa, every after training.
Happy tayo?
Parang comfort.
Yeah, comfort
Siya po,
food.
si Dali po, lagi ko nabubudol ng mais kunyelo tayo.
Oh! Oh, mais con hielo!
Ako po yung budolera kapag
Yeah,
sa food.
napupulo siya lagi.
Tara, ano tayo? Gano'n tayo.
Kumakain. Okay. What's your favorite sugar level?
Uy, half lang.
50%. Ikaw?
0 or 25.
Same. Level 1. Level ba yan?
Sugar level.
I always like the classic one with, pero hindi ako mahilig sa pearl. Mas coconut jelly ako. Di ba? Mas, ang gigigil ako eh. Ewan ko, yung pearl kasi, sometimes kumakain ako, tapos pag may nagpa-picture, yes po.
Mas
Wala
white.
yung dito ko. Di ba yung itim? Yeah, okay. Now, Dali, milk tea, same reason. Fox, same reason. Hat?
Cap po. Mahilig din po siya mag-cap.
You know what vibe you give me? She gives me, Korean baseball cheerleader vibe.
Ooh.
Am I not right? Pikit. Diba?
Eight.
Okay. What's your favorite cap? Like, ball cap talaga?
Yeah, baseball cap.
Oh, color?
Black.
Oh, black. Okay. Okay, we have 2 members left. Let's go with Nala. Kinakabahan ka ba? Okay, let's start with Dali. Lion.
Cause Nala.
Nala, okay. Bear.
Bear because she likes bears.
Oh, you like bears.
It's her emoji.
Teddy bears.
You like teddy bears. You like that brown, softy, like circle.
Parang siya rin po yung personality niya. So,
Yeah, very, very komdori. We call it komdori. Yeah, okay. How about trench coat?
dapat po jacket. Wala po atang jacket. She's always wearing a jacket po. Always. Like, anything.
Oversized jacket.
Same.
Mabilis ako malamigan.
Diba? I love that feeling. Ayoko yung tight eh. Gusto ko parang blanket.
Oversized.
Blanket vibe. Oh, okay. What's your favorite color jacket?
Black.
Black? Okay, chill.
Coffee, because every single day she orders Zeus Coffee, sponsor. Look like this.
It's good.
Yeah.
Zeus coffee's good.
Yeah.
So good.
We love Zeus.
So you're a coffee person, rather.
More on a latte.
Ah,
I'm
latte.
allergic to coffee. Like beans. Like nangangate ako. So,
May allergic din sa coffee beans?
Talaga?
Baka nagka-hyperacidic ka.
hindi, it's not confirmed or diagnosed, but like, it's just every time I drink, like, parang nagka-close yung, like,
Oh.
Demure, elegant.
Demure, ethereal. Ano yung building?
No building because it looks like an apartment.
Oh! I see what you did there.
Oh!
Okay, Rosé. Oh, pero bakit yung
Caterpillar. Hindi, because Ate Nala, when you first meet her, she's very demure lang, very like, oh. But then if you actually get to know her, you let her grow a little bit into like her comfort with you. She turns into a butterfly.
What a very, well,
Thoughts.
Very poetic to Okay. Hindi sana butterfly na lang nilagay mo. Bakit sa caterpillar?
Hindi, wala na.
first stage.
First stage kasi. Kasi surprising siya.
Uy, nandidiri ako. Gusto ko. Ganun, no? Okay. Sia, acrobat, obviously. Flexible ba siya?
Yes, and yung handstand dapat.
Ay! Can you show us anything that could showcase your flexibility? Any move?
Tara! Ano Tara? I mean, go!
Tara! Saan ka punta?
Ay, hindi. I meant go.
Any.
Kaya mo ba mag-split?
Yung pataas yung legs.
Syempre, given the fact na naka-jeans ka.
Okay.
Pirouette.
I think pirouette. Ready?
Lean in.
Very ballerina.
Yung mukha niya, ganun pa rin, no? Ako. Oh, okay. There's Band-Aid.
Meron siyang maraming band-aids, different colors, cartoon.
Band-Aid to, di ba? Okay. Kala ko whisper.
So, nung nagkaroon ako ng injury or mga sugat, every time may sugat ako, siya nagbibigay na.
Ikaw yung first aid dito. Oh. What's a good Band-Aid? I never can get the right Band-Aid. Seriously.
The
natatanggal.
The
Pero
best
ayoko din
ones, yung mga waterproof.
Ayaw mo yung cute?
Diba? Color. Maganda.
Oo, yung transparent, mas okay yan.
Opo, mas matigas.
Ayoko kasi masyadong malagkit. Pero ayoko din yung natatanggal agad since ang init sa Pinas. So waterproof. What's the last one? Is it blush? Or...
No. Yung eyes dapat yan. Lagi siyang gising. So, kunyari matutulog.
Lagi siyang gising.
No, it's like, parang hindi siya natutulog. Hindi siya natutulog. Parang, kunyari matutulog na ako, online siya. Pag gising ko, online pa rin siya. Di ka pa tulog.
Nocturnal ka.
Yeah, sobrang, kaka-coffee mo yan.
Oo nga.
What are you usually puyat about? Like, what do you do late night?
I honestly, I don't know. Then,
Katakot. So, ganun ka lang.
Ganyan na siya sa gabi.
Dapat owl. Okay?
Ay, actually.
Oh. Ea, dog on a leash. So, what is she? A leash or the dog?
Actually, magka-partner yung wings tsaka yung dog. Kasi yung may nickname siya na Chihuahua. So, tuwa ako doon. Tapos nagka-contemporary siya. Flying Chihuahua siya. Wala,
It makes sense, ha? Chihuahua?
Kasi Chuchua.
Chuchua.
Flying Chihuahua.
Kaya tuwa ako lagi pag naririnig ko yan.
Tikbalang. Parang...
Ako ba nag-wings yun? Flying Chihuahua. Pinagyan ko siya ng nickname na Flying Chihuahua.
may step na parang
I can imagine the edits in the future.
oh my God.
Ayun. And then, yung parang salad, kasi I don't know, every time I see her, parang may vegetable lagi na nakasama yung food niya. Oo. Healthy ka pala.
Healthy ka pala.
Hindi. Yung sa studio niya, laging may yung
Maybe it's
in-order
the
mo.
Chinese in her. Diba?
In-order. Ay,
Chinese people
tatandaan ko.
love veggies. Anything veggie. What's your... Anong mga veggies niya? Oh, may dala kang kangkong sa mo.
Oh, I love kangkong.
Guys, mag-snack tayo. What was she holding?
Parang lagi mo in-order nung sa studio mo. Yung parang healthy.
Burrito?
Yung Chinese restaurant na
Hainanese?
Parang ganun. Basta parang something healthy may nakikita ko lagi pag
Okay. How about Anika? Ballerina shoes.
And coffee and...
Coffee. And the last one.
No, it's about her voice kasi. Yung voice kasi ni Ate Nala. Hey, it's Nala. Pag gano'n.
Pa-fade out siya
Yeah.
lagi. Totoo ba?
Totoo!
Mahina lang kasi yung boses niya.
Ganun po siya minsan mag-talk. Full sentences yung dulo is... Ganun po. Promise po.
May auto-fade out.
Minsan, pagka-conversing, okay, bigla ka na lang, ano yung sinabi?
Papalapit ka na ng papalapit.
Hindi ba kayo gutom? Tara, kain na tayo.
Apo, ganyan po.
Ganon!
Mostly pa po yung last word. Kaya ano yun?
Ano ba yun? Napapagod ka lang sa dulo?
Kulang kasi sa tulog.
Ikaw na lang po yung mag-i-imagine ng sinabi niya.
Context clues na lang. Okay. Okay, now last, Anika.
Ako na lang.
Okay, let's start with Dali. Rock and roll. What is this?
Her personality is very ganto po.
Very ethereal.
Kaya po, yung name niya is Anika para mabawasan. Ganyan na lang. And then, yung train po kasi nga po sa MRT, super sipag niya po, super lagi ko po siyang, like every time na magte-training, like, nako-commend, parang I really commend her
Where do you
sipag.
guys train? Near here. QC, ano tayo? Dulo sa dulo.
2 to 3 hours yung biyahe ko.
3 hours?
2 to 3 kapag may traffic.
One way yan.
One way po.
Oh my God,
Pagpabalik
so
4, 5.
Well, what's the last one? The note?
Notepad po kasi when we met pas. Pero po, nung...
Ganyan lang daw.
Apo. So, she's very...
Blanco siya.
Apo. And I mean, blank canvas pa po siya.
Innocent.
Lalo po nung na-meet po namin siya when we train, lahat po ng notes talaga nino-note niya sa notebook. Na lahat ng details, kailangan dito, sa dance part na to,
Is it
gano'n.
because she was one of the latest member to...
Parang in-incorporate ko po yung pag-aaral kasi magaling ako mag-memorize. So sa mga notes nila, ninonote ko.
Kasi ayaw mo maging, parang, yung dahilan kung bakit ma-slow down sila dahil sa'yo. Oh, so
Ako po
you
yung
made
super
extra
bago.
Grabe naman yung effort mo from biyahe to taking notes. Wow. Anika's workaholic ata.
Hardworking.
Yeah. Yeah, bagay. Jimin. You said Jimin bias. Jimin's like that. You know that, right? Siya yung pinakahuling na scout ata.
Opo.
Tapos siya parang midnight training. Okay. Chill. Sleepy. O biglang napunta sa tamad.
Hindi kasi, because nga sobrang hardworking siya. Parati din siya if may time, nakatulog siya sa Grab. Minsan, hindi naman sa train, pero minsan sa training, may workout mat kasi ako. Tapos minsan andyan kami ni Anika. Pero wala naman si Coach. Tulog.
Wala pa si Coach, tulog
10 minutes.
Sorry,
Wait
Coach!
lang. Parang si Chill po yung naglalatag.
Siya po!
Madami pa akong picture. Parang mas madami akong picture. Nakahiga. Si Chill lang po yung nakahiga.
Kala mo Kala mo malaglag ba? Back to you!
Pero tama sila po.
Sumasali ako sa
Sumasali kasi. Yun.
Nagnanakaw lang sila ng...
Nagpa-park pa po kasi si...
Ato na. So habang wala.
Ang tagal mo daw kasi. Okay. Lahat connected, no?
Connect.
Habang ikaw tumitingin ka lang sa salamin.
Tapos ako naglilinis.
Naglilinis.
Ikaw! Ano yung rock and roll? Same reason. She has that rock spirit vibe, di ba? Rock and roll vibe. Ano yung Candy?
Candy kasi sweet siya. Ay! Joke lang, okay?
Sobrang OA naman yan. Siya na lang mag-react.
Okay, pero
Sweet siya?
Sweet siya. As a mabait, sobrang bait niya. Tsaka, ang dami, kasi nagdadala ako ng paper candy for your voice. Tapos siya usually yung naghihingi kasi gusto niya yung feeling din. Ako din. So, yeah.
Okay. When do you feel like...
Sponsor.
Yan. Chinatown. When do you feel like she's sweet? When did you feel like, sobrang sweet naman tong taong to, gano'n?
I think usually kasi kung quiet yung mga members, usually siya yung unang, okay ka lang. Pero as in, yung hindi, no one else will notice. Tapos, okay ka lang. Ganon siya.
You're very observant.
Observe.
Oh, ganon.
Okay, now we're gonna go to the Aya's answer.
Yung nakatayang babae, dapat waist yan. Sobrang liit kasi ng waist ni Anika.
Totoo ba?
Siya ata yung may pinakamaliit na waist
Ang
sa
ganda po
amin.
ng hips niya at super lit ng waist.
Gifted
Tapos bomba, kasi bomba girl siya. Bomba na to ah.
Bomba na.
Di ba?
Parang ayaw niya.
Hindi, very maangas siya. And
Maangas siya.
Ayun, baby girl yung last emoji. Kasi nung pumasok siya, tumatak sa akin na parang super innocent niya. Na parang baby girl talaga na
Sobrang bago po
wala
talaga.
siyang ID. And onti lang yung idea niya
Yeah, like
about
a blank
training.
paper, sabi
Opo.
ni Dali.
So parang ang sarap niyang i-guide, i-ganon.
Yeah.
I-baby girl.
Kaso ngayon, bomba.
Ang sarap na i-guide pero, ano mo pa, crap mo pa yan. Ano gawin?
Oh, yeah. How about Nala? Doctor?
Ayun, kasi yun nga po yung she's studying.
Habang nagte-training po kami. Habang nagte-training po kami, tinatapos ko po yung first sem ng nursing.
Tapos nag-MRT pa po siya. That's why so sipag.
Oh my God.
Super sipag niya.
What's the next note? Meron. Literally, you take notes in notebook.
Yes!
That's
Sa
why
bleeding
po
heart.
super
Sa next
nagtatak.
collab natin, can I see that notebook? I wanna see what's
Pangit
written
yung
there.
sulat ko.
Wag magkalat sa tabi ni Ate Sia. Okay. What's the skull?
Skull, kasi I think her overall style is like
Grunge.
AQB, grunge.
Ooh.
hindi pa siya na-unleash soon. Yung style.
Parang sinasabi mo, may alter Iba yung na-unleash.
Iba yun.
Akit ka ganyan sa wall. Exorcist.
Aswang. Ethereal muna, ethereal.
You're a punk rock girl talaga.
Grunge, mga ganun.
Yeah. Okay. Sia, apple?
Apple.
Yan, apples. Kasi ano po, may diet plan kami. So, sa sobrang sipag niya, ang kinakain na lang din niya para mas mag-lose weight siya is apple. Sa morning.
Morning apple.
Pag walang
Kinakain
time.
nila McDo, sa akin Mac-Apple.
Very disciplined din po siya. Pag inaya mo siyang kumain, ano siya.
Yeah.
Hindi na mahirapan ka kasi ang daming demonyo. May chocolate na. May gummy bear.
Actually, opo.
Kawawa ka naman. I hate that. Alam mo yung parang, okay, today mag-start ako ng diet. Tapos I can smell my roommate cooking. Cooking, di ba? Adobong manok, bagong luto na kanin, may tuyo. Okay, nurse, for same reason. What's the train?
And then po, MRT Queen.
MRT Queen.
Pretty queen.
Yes, MRT baka naman. Beep card, come on, MRT Queen. Alright. Mukhang very I'm actually getting to know you all through these emojis. Okay, now last. Define your group as with 3 emojis. We'll start with Sia.
The first one is the rose. Emoji siya ng Fina, ng group. So, yun yung pinaka...
Ito yung main emoji nyo?
Yes.
Rose.
Pero, may iba-iba kami emoji.
Uh-uh.
Remember. And then star. Siyempre, magiging future star, yung group.
Yes,
Soon,
aim for the
sana
star.
po. Yes. And then yung plane. Parang airplane. This one. Parang
Alam ko airplane to.
No, parang we, like sooner or later, mag-fly kami sa different countries.
Oh, that's
to
your dream as a
perform.
member.
Yeah.
Yes, very valid. Oh, how about Aya?
Queen po, because we are fine as we are.
Yeah! Queen mindset.
Yes.
Right.
And then Sparkle, kasi we spark.
We spark?
Ano kayo, 220 volts? 110?
Hindi, pero Sparkle kasi parang ayun yung pinaka, ng
Shine,
group.
you guys
Yeah, we
shine. Okay.
The last emoji po is angel. Kasi po pag tinitignan ko sila, para po silang, alam niyo po yung mga angels na bumaba sa earth. Ganun po yung... Talaga? Ganun po yung itsura nila. So, ang gaganda naman itong mga to.
Wow!
Hindi, promise. Honestly. Lagi ko silang tinitignan, anong visual yan? Anong mukhang yung mga yan? Yun. apart from
Kasama ka, pero grabe proud na siya. Si Chill, ito lang ako. Hindi! Ako lang to! Okay,
Nakikita ko
guess.
yung group namin na parang, hala.
You're so proud.
Wow, yung parang, wow, yung gano'n yung
May backlight.
parang gano'n.
Okay. Chill. Rainbow.
Rainbow because we all have our own color that we bring to the group, but together we make it beautiful. We make it fina. Yeah, alright. And then the stars, I chose 3 stars. Apart from the fact that we shine and we sparkle, it's because we're our own star, but we also have other people with us who make us shine brighter, like the team and the fans and everyone we work with.
Wow! Iba?
I hear you.
Grabe na PR train!
Uy, wala pa.
Ang galing! Oh, bakit ka nagtatakbo? Hold upper ka
Running,
ba?
because our pre-debut song is called Keep On Running, and then when we were performing it, we went through a lot near-death experience, car crash, but we kept on running, diba? We persevered!
Keep on running.
Okay. Okay, Dali. Oh, Sparkle.
Yun din po, fireworks, sparkles. Kasi now pa lang po na hindi pa kami ganun masyadong experience together, wala pa kami masyadong napapalabas. Ngayon pa lang marami na kaming pasabog. I think more in the future, mas bigger po.
Okay. Dice.
And then dice po, kasi po, di ba, you never know what's the result ko, ano yung outcome. And parang feeling ko sa music namin and our concept is, magugulat na lang kayo, bigla kaming ganito. Ito yung papakita namin. So watch out!
Marami kayong surprise, ganon. Ooh, and then Rose.
Rose is our group emoji.
Oh, okay. After this, I want to hear just, what's your emoji? You all have your own emoji.
Cat. Teddy bear.
Teddy bear. Swan.
Butterfly.
Bunny.
Snowflake.
Oh, chill. I'm Ice Cube. Okay lang din. Okay, next. Anika.
Yung sa Rose po, given na, yung love letter po, I feel like the songs that we are going to release will be a love letter, not just to our fans, but to ourselves as well. Because yun po, very involved po kami sa mga song na nire-write po. And nilalagay po namin doon yung experiences ng isa't isa since we all have different stories to tell. And meron din po kaming gustong message for fans sa songs namin, ganun po.
Oh, wow, that's a deep meaning, And then, what's the live concert ticket?
That's
Diba? Any artist's dream. Ticket with their name on it, diba? And like, when you just see your fans or your supporters taking picture of that and like posting on their stories na, I'll see you guys there. Yung parang ganun. It's very fulfilling, di ba? Manifest. All right. Lastly, Nala.
Yung heart, because we are all here for the same reason. Because we're all very passionate.
Oh, same heart. Yeah.
And then yung ganun na star. Forever.
Yung ganun na star.
We'll forever be chasing for that star.
Yes.
And then yung music nga is, I think our goal talaga is to inspire people through our music.
I actually haven't heard, diba? You didn't send me anything. They didn't send me anything, literally. Only like, that's why I was like, what's their MBTI?
You want a
Bleeding
live
Love pa lang,
performance?
napanood ko.
Pero live performance, gusto niyo po ba?
Okay, so before we end, we're gonna do a quick a cappella, okay?
Okay.
Kahit anong hadang ang dumating tadhana'y hindi na palalampasin. Just keep on running, I keep on running. Just keep on running, I keep on running. Just keep on running, I keep on running. Just keep on.
Shut up, I'll do what I want. I'll fight, no fright. All bad just try to stop me.
No words can hurt anymore. My faith untamed, no shame. Just keep on running.
I keep on running.
Keep on running.
Keep on running. Run.
Just keep on running. I keep on running. Just keep on running.
Run.
Wow! Uy, nakakaano yung just keep on running. Mamaya matutulog ako. Just keep on running. Nice! Grabe. Uy, guys, we've been yapping for like 2 hours now. So for them to sing that in a cappella, that's hard, ha? We didn't even have a sip of water.
No one.
Kasi malulubat na yung mic eh. O, diba? Live, sabi ni Mori. Alright. So any last message for your followers or soon-to-be your followers? Any messages? Isipin mo like, these are new people. Yeah. who've never met you.
We want to say thank you for all those people who supporting us up until now sa journey namin na to. And I hope po na makita po namin soon kayo sa mga live performances namin.
And we really, really hope that you can, abangan nyo lang yung mga performances namin. We can't wait. We're really gonna work hard for you guys, and you guys keep on inspiring us. And if you're new and you've made it to the end of the video, we hope you can check us out because we've got a lot in store for you, and we're really excited to bring you along our journey.
And please wait for our pre-debut song po entitled Run. It's about reaching our dreams and being able to keep chasing it kahit ano mangyari, kahit near-death experience.
Keep on running, guys.
Running.
Support niyo po when we release it.
Yes po.
Yes, and please don't forget to follow us on all of our social media accounts, which is @_LoveFina.
Just remember that you're all fine as you are, and always trust your own potential because that's what happened to us as a group. We all trust each other's potential, and now we are making our dreams come true.
Thank you. We'll see you in the room raid soon.
I'm ready!
And some intense games.
Pengi po kaming door muna.
Pa-sponsor po again.
Joke lang po! Joke lang po!
Di ba? Manifest natin yan. Alright, thank you, girls!